Today, I'll highlight some installation tips when installing Philmac large bore threaded fittings. Before applying thread tape, it's a good idea to score the thread using a screwdriver or a similar tool. This helps the tape to adhere to the surface of the thread. Take standard Teflon tape and apply to the thread. When applying the tape, you do this in the tightening direction or clockwise direction. In addition, tape should be applied moving backwards and forwards across the length of the thread. There's no hard and fast rule on how much tape to apply, but generally for a plastic-to-plastic connection, you should use about 7 meters of tape. Initial engagement of thread should be by hand to ensure first thread is engaged. Tighten the thread by hand and then by wrench, ensuring wrench is engaged on the hexagonal surface. The fitting is fully installed when it cannot be tightened any further with reasonable force. Process is similar for a metal thread into a plastic thread. As a general rule, less tape is required with only about 3 meters needed. Start the thread by hand, ensuring first thread is engaged. This may require the thread to be moved backwards and forwards, but should be a simple process. Tighten by hand and then with a wrench. The fitting is fully installed when it cannot be tightened any further with reasonable force.